it's wintertime is right around the corner. There's no doubt about it, but I refuse. I don't want to be cold. I want to think warm. I want to think tropical. And to do that, we're going to reach way back to the 1930s. In 1932, on an island in the Atlantic, Bermuda, at a place called the Swizzle Inn. And they designed the first cocktail of Bermuda, the national cocktail of Bermuda. So that's what we're making today. Before we get started, I want to thank you for joining us. I want to thank you for subscribing. Leave us a like, leave us a comment, let us know how we're doing. Let us know what you want to see. So, with all that being said, let's get pouring today's cocktail, the Bermuda Rum Swizzle. We're going to start with our shaker glass, and then we're going to put in there 1 ounce of rum. And we're using Gold Rum here. Next, we're going to put in there 1/2 ounce of triple sec. Next, we're going to put in there 1/2 ounce of this nice little tiki concoction. You've seen it before, Falernum. It's a really almond ginger kind of taste to it. Really, really fragrant, tastes delicious. And that's 1/2 ounce going in there. This cocktail is really pretty juice forward, so we're going to use a lot of fresh juices. The first one we're going to put in there, and I freshly squeezed this just a few minutes ago, some pineapple juice. And we are going to use 1 1/4 ounces of pineapple juice. Freshly squeezed, because we all know fresh is best. Next, 1 1/4 ounce of freshly squeezed orange juice. And finally, freshly squeezed lemon juice. This time we're only going to use 1/2 ounce. That's going in there. The last ingredient that's going in the shaker is some Angostura bitters, and we're just going to put 2 dashes of that in there. Now we're going to ice it up, and we're going to give it a good shake to chill. Pop that on there and give it a really good shake. Now the interesting thing about this cocktail is this is one of those cocktails like the rum punch. There are 1,000 different ways to make it. I chose this recipe to make because it came from the Swizzle Inn, and that is where the cocktail was originated. So next we are going to take an old-fashioned glass. We're going to fill that with crushed ice. And we are going to strain. To top that off, we're going to take 1 ounce, 1/2 ounce to 1 ounce of Gosling's Black Rum. This is actually from Bermuda. We're just going to float that on top. Give it a little extra flavor in there. Garnish, we're almost ready to go. We're going to use a wedge of pineapple in there. We are going to take a couple of pineapple fronds. And last but not least, our straw. This is a Bermuda vacation in a glass. Cheers, everyone.